We all wish to have flawless skin. It improves our self-confidence and quality of life. However, getting flawless skin is not an easy task and can't be achieved overnight. So in this video, we will share with you some useful tips to quickly get your skin on the right track. Number 1. Know your skin type. First and most important step in achieving flawless skin is to know your skin type. For this purpose, wash your face and leave it untouched for an hour. After that, take a tissue paper and dab it on your T-zone area. If your skin shows flakes or dead skin, then you probably have dry skin. If you see the grease and oil on tissue and you have large open pores on your skin visible, then you have an oily skin. If your skin feels neither too oily nor too dry and has small pores and a smooth skin texture, then consider yourself lucky as you have normal skin. If your skin shows the traits of all mentioned skin type, then you probably have a combination skin type. Once you know your skin type, now it's time to choose a good skincare routine to get flawless and smooth skin. Number 2. Choose a good cleanser. Choosing a good cleanser according to your skin type is a really important step towards achieving flawless skin. Always go for the cleanser that is non-comedogenic, as it will not clog your pores that leads to acne and pimples. Number 3. Use sunscreen daily. Sunscreen will help to protect your skin from ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B rays that can damage your skin. Choose a sunscreen with broad spectrum protection. Make sure your sunscreen has a sun protection factor SPF 30 or above and has no fragrance or oil. Apply the sunscreen daily while stepping outside to avoid sun damage and reapply every 2 to 3 hours and after sweating. Number 3. Wipe off your makeup. Our skin renews itself while you sleep. It is very important to remove your makeup before going to bed, as it can damage your skin and interfere with the natural exfoliation process during night. Leaving makeup on your skin can clog your pores and can lead to acne and breakouts. So it is very important to use makeup remover before going to bed and apply a good moisturizer. Number 4. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a healthy and balanced diet is really essential for achieving flawless skin. Digestive problems can result in several skin issues. Try to include fresh fruits, raw vegetables, whole grains, dairy products, fish, nuts, and legumes in your diet to have a beautiful and flawless skin. Avoid caffeinated drinks and beverages, sugar, greasy foods, and fast food. Number 6. Drink plenty of water. 70% of our body contains water, so it is really important to hydrate your skin. Drink 8 to 9 glasses of water every day. It will not only help you to get hydrated skin, as well as it will also make your skin looking fresh, glowing, and flawless. Besides all the mentioned steps, it is also very important to follow a good skincare routine to look beautiful inside as well as outside. So you should also follow a good skincare routine to achieve a healthy and flawless skin. So this was our today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.